Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are comparing the image quality, customization features, ease of use, and pricing to help you decide which tool should be your go-to for creating jaw-dropping visuals. Is it gonna be Midjourney or dall-e 3? Let's begin. Midjourney is an artificial intelligence tool that specializes in generating images based on text prompts. It is a platform designed for artists, designers, and anyone interested in creating visuals quickly and creatively through the AI generated art. Now, once you go to the official website, you have an option to sign up and log in using your credentials. If you click the sign up button, you would be forwarded to this option wherein you can sign in using your Google or your Discord account. Once you have successfully created your account here in Midjourney, you would notice that one of the easiest key features of this platform is the text to image generation. All you have to do is type in your information here. For example, if you wanted to try a simple image, it would input or it would generate highly detailed images that matches the description. For example, if you type in a dog that walks, you would have this result, which is very realistic, right? Some results can be abstract or fantastical depending on the prompt that you use. On the left side, you have the option to go for the chat, wherein you have the lobby for the new chat. You also have the option to join a voice chat, but that requires a subscription before you can join the amazing community inside here in Midjourney. You would notice that in terms of the customizable styles, Midjourney allows users to specify various art styles from photorealism, like this one, all right, to maybe a fantasy like this, to retro styles like this one maybe, or like a steampunk kind of image. Now, the generated images are typically of very high quality with intricate details and creative interpretations of the input prompts. You would notice they also offer the task here wherein you can put in a demographic survey, multiple measures of personality, and a lot more. If you go to the create button, you would notice that you need to subscribe to their plans before you can organize and create an something here. But one of the good thing about the Midjourney is that it's easy integrations to Discord, because it allows you to share to get feedback and collaborate with the community of artists and creators such as this one right here. Okay, so let's go to our next contender, which is dall-e 3 AI. It is the last and the latest iteration of the OpenAI's AI image generation model that can create images from textual descriptions. It's a powerful tool for generating high quality, creative, and often surreal images based on the prompts provided by the user. Now, all I have to do is click the try in chat GPT. You would be forwarded to this. Now, you can simply create an image right here. For example, here, and just press the enter to see what we got from here. All right. One of the key features again of dall-e 3 is the ability to create a text to image generation, right? Users can input detailed text prompts, and dall-e 3 generates images that match the description. This model excels in creating visuals from a wide variety of prompts, including abstract, surreal, and realistic concepts. Now, dall-e 3 produces high-quality, detailed, polished, and realistic images, which is known for handling complex prompts with better results compared to previous versions offering more refined and lifelike visuals. For example, this one. Let's try to create, for example, a fantasy, create a Lord of the Rings elves. Let's see what we got. Now, it'll take a little while depending on the complexity of the generated images. For example, this is going to be the options for you. You have the option to download. You can bad response, good response, copy this link. Now you see, doing all these gives you are giving the dall-e 3 to enhance its algorithm. So you might want to make a good response or bad response. It helps them. All right. You also have an option for the use voice command if you wanted. And if you click on the view tool, which is one of the best handy features for dall-e 3, because if you click this button, all right, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to edit, or I mean generate multiple versions of an image based on the same prompt. You see that? Offering user options to choose from and further refine their visuals. Now, dall-e 3 is integrated well with OpenAI's ChatGPT platform, allowing users to interact with the model more seamlessly and combine text-based instructions with image creation. Now, once you've done that, you have an option here on the upper right corner to share. If you want to share this link, create this link and send this to maybe a social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Reddit, and Twitter or X. All right. And you see a public link to chat has been created. If you don't want that, you can simply go to settings and tweak the settings according to your preferences. So you would notice that if you're using their free account, you have like kind of a limitation. For you to be able to remove that limitation and utilize the tool, click the Get Plus option. Obviously, we're using the free trial, which gives us a limit of these. The popular is going to be around $20, but you can level up your productivity and creativity with expanded access, and you get all these. Now, the Pro plan comes at $200. You get the best of OpenAI with the highest level of access. In terms of the business, the team is around $25, which is very helpful if you are working with multiple freelancers or maybe working with your client. And for $25, you can supercharge your team's work with a secure collaborative workspace. Now, our verdict is that if you prioritize ease of use and diverse prompt handling, I believe that dall-e 3 is going to be the better choice. All right? Because it also allows you to have an easier integration with the Microsoft tools. And of course, if you need more customization and artistic control, I believe that Midjourney is a powerful option. All right? Because you can experiment with a stylist artwork, because it is designed for users who want more creative control, offering a wide range of customization options, allowing you to adjust elements like style intensity, weirdness, and image variations. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.